I've already washed my hands and I already have gloves on. I'm going to clean my stethoscope. I don't have any alcohol swabs, so we're using some hospital sanitation things. Clean the diaphragm, tubing, and earpieces to prevent cross-contamination. Fantastic. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you today?
We'll warm up the diaphragm a little bit because it's cold. I'm going to listen to you breathe just a little bit if that's all right.
That's fine.
Do you mind lifting your arm up for me? Perfect. Thank you. To this side over here. Okay. I'm going to put your shirt tight. Okay. All right, you've got good, clear, normal breath sounds. Thank you very much.
Thank you.